Hello, we're at 1053 Bush Street and this is apartment B. This is a garden level studio unit. Right when you come in the front door of the apartment, you're in a hallway. There's the bathroom, we'll finish up with that, but that's right when you come in. When the hallway turns right, it opens up into this little foyer. The prior tenant had a little home office set up here that worked out really well. Here's a little broom closet. Okay, kitchen, white cabinets, marble countertops, beige tile floor. We have a stainless steel gas range and a stainless steel fridge. Right, the apartment comes with water and steam heat included in the rent. So the tenant will pay for PG&E and for Xfinity, otherwise known as Comcast, for whatever cable or internet package that you might want. This building does have a beautiful shared garden, and this apartment looks out onto that shared space. Okay, here's a view of the main room. I think you could do a queen bed comfortably. 2 closets. All right, got shelves rather. All right, and then second closet, more shelves and bars, of course, for hanging clothes. And then let me take you out real quick and show you where the laundry is and how to get to the garden. Okay, so, oh, and bathroom. That's right. All right, here's the bath. Hi, everybody. Shower over tub. Okay, pedestal sink. Same beige tile floor here in the bathroom as you have in the kitchen. All right, so here we are exiting the apartment. We're in a little common hallway. This door on the left is the laundry room for the building. 2 washers, 2 dryers. It uses an app called ShinePay, and that way you don't have to scrounge for every quarter. And then here is the exit door that goes out to the side passage, which takes you back to the garden. Okay? All right, this has been 1053 B Bush. Thanks for watching.